My name is John Fitzgerald. I'm here at 4030 West Avenida del Sol, Glendale, Arizona. I'm going to attempt to do a repair today. Because the shingles are 36 inch by 5/8, which let me make sure I get photos of that for the photo report. 5-inch exposure and 35, just under 36 inch. It's what we call an old English cut shingle. Everything is made metric now. So the current shingles are going to be 39 inches, which is going to require me to trim or cut off 3 inches of the shingle, which we can't do because we have to use compatible products. We can't try and force the shingle to be compatible with what's currently up there. On the exposure, we would have to cut the bottom 5/8 inch off of the shingle. As you will see, we would be cutting off to here, which is going to cut your sealant strip off of the shingle, which means the shingle is no longer going to be able to seal. So I'm going to just attempt to simulate a repair because there's no product to do the repair with. And first, we're going to break the seals on the above shingles. Now I'm going to have to pull fasteners here and here to release this shingle. All right, you'll see I've removed the fasteners on this row and the shingle still won't come out because the second row up here is also fastened through that shingle. Go. Now that I've removed the shingle, no identifying marks, we're going to reinsert the same shingle back into place to simulate what would happen when we completed a repair with a product that wasn't available. Now we're going to use the proper nails per code. We're going to install 5 nails per shingle. You can see this one came out a little bit. Get that one back in. Now, to install a shingle, you have to nail the nails flush, which is going to require me at least this much room. As you'll see, I'm not going to be trying to over tilt or crank these shingles. That is what's required to even get the hammer in and give myself access. Now that row's in. Now we're going to directly nail to the shingle. Up. Now that we sit like this. Okay. Now it's complete, we're gonna inspect the shingles around it, and you can see the degranulation of these shingles above it, these lines of all the granules that are coming off, causing these crease marks here and here. It's harder to see on this shingle, but like right here is your best. Now that's going to require me now to replace this shingle above it. So you have creasing here, which is that shingle there, and here. Look at these ones up here. Yeah, you have it. There we go. Oh yeah, look. So you'll see it here down in the middle of the shingle, same as down here and here. So where's this shingle end? There we go. Oh, and then right here you'll see the creasing. And that's this shingle from here to here. So to repair one shingle, we're actually going to damage 4, and that's what it's going to continue to do all the way up this roof, all the way to the ridge line. So this repair test is definitely a fail. Thank you.